Welcome everyone. Ever wonder how to bring more wealth and prosperity into your life? Today we're diving into an ancient feng shui secret used by Chinese royals and the wealthy, the feng shui wealth vase. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your own lucky wealth jar and start attracting abundance to your home or business. Stick around because this is a journey into the heart of feng shui magic. Feng shui is all about harnessing the energy of your environment to create wealth, prosperity, and abundance. One of the most powerful tools in feng shui is the wealth vase. So what exactly is a feng shui wealth vase? It's an ancient secret, historically used by Chinese royals, designed to attract wealth, energy, prosperity, and abundance. These vases are infused with tremendous qi energy through various ingredients and symbols, from money and crystal balls to seeds and stamps of wealth. Let's explore how to create your own wealth vase. First, follow a few rules to ensure your vase works effectively. Wealth vase rules. Rule number 1. Store your vase with respect in the southeast section of your home or office. According to the Feng Shui Bagua map, this area is dedicated to wealth and prosperity. Rule number 2. Choose a vase with a wide bottom and a narrow top, like a classic Chinese ginger jar. Rule number 3. Pick a vase that looks beautiful to you. It should resonate with your personal taste. Rule number 4. Your vase should be made of porcelain, crystal, or earthenware. Finally, rule number 5. Fill the vase only 3/4 full. Sealing it with a fitted top leaves room for abundance to grow. Before we start filling the vase, we need to cleanse it. Here's a simple method. Set an incense holder on a table. Light a sandalwood incense cone or stick and place it in the holder. Turn the vase upside down and hold the opening over the incense. Fill the vase with smoke from the incense to clear out any stagnant qi energy. Once you feel the energy has been cleared, turn the vase upright and set it on the table. You can either let the incense continue to burn or snuff it out. Now let's talk about what goes inside the vase. Here are some suggested ingredients. Semi-precious or precious stones. 3 Chinese coins tied with a red ribbon. A small laughing Buddha or Tibetan god of wealth. Small round crystal balls. 5 kinds of seeds or grains in plastic bags. Pictures of wealthy people whom you admire. Gold ingots or bars, imitation gold is okay too. A tiny globe and money from different countries. Your personal wish, include a picture of what you desire most. When adding the ingredients to your vase, do so with deliberate intent and respect for each item. Hold the vase's neck between your hands. Focus your energy on the inside of the vase. And lastly, meditate on your intentions for creating it. Imagine filling the vase with your desires, hopes, wishes, plans, and goals. Once your vase is filled, covering it with cloth in the colors of the 5 elements can increase its energy. Then tie the fabric around the top to seal it shut. Each year, on the anniversary of creating your vase, you can add 1 or 2 pieces of gold, coins, and paper money to symbolize adding to your wealth. Replace the cloth, retie the ribbon, and return the vase to its storage or display. And there you have it, your very own feng shui wealth vase. Remember, this is more than just a decorative piece. It's a powerful tool to attract prosperity and abundance into your life. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, join us again for more feng shui tips and tricks. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you hear about our new videos.